It's Mr. J. Hello, it's our intermediate video. Today's Thursday, 목요일 December 12월 12th. 발음 조심. 12th, 2024. Today's news is debatable. AI President Yoon. Martial law, impeachment, president, opposition, troops, National Assembly law, warning, constitution, election, security, investigation, spying, hacking, responsibility. Okay. President Yoon spoke on TV to defend his decision to declare martial law on December 3rd. 김윤 대통령은 자기 잘못 없다고. Martial law 때문에. He said he wanted to protect the country from anti-state actions by the opposition. 그냥 나라 보호한다고. He explained that sending troops to the National Assembly was a warning, not an attempt to stop the government from working. 그럼 그 경찰하고 뭐지? 군인은 보내는 이유는 그냥 경고였다. He also did not cut electricity or stop broadcasts, which he said proved his intentions were fair. 이렇게 설명한데 진짜 나 못하게 하고 싶으면 전기 근데 전기 안 갔어. 그러면 이거 그냥 경고하는 이야기 같다. Yoon criticized the opposition for blocking important laws, like one to punish spying and another to improve election security. 계속 그 이야기한다. opposition은 새로운 법 못 만들게 한다. 나라 보호하는 것. He mentioned that North Korea's hacking in 2023 showed the need for better protection. 2023년에 아마 북한 어떤 해킹했다. 그럼 이거는 예를 들면 보호도 해야 된다고. Facing an impeachment threat, impeachment, Yoon promised to take full responsibility for his actions, but said the opposition is only trying to remove him to help their leader Lee Jae-myung. 그럼 impeachment 때문에 이거는 책임감 한다고 이렇게 자기 잘못은 있으면 그거는 인정한다고. 근데 그 opposition은 그냥 자기 leader는 지지하는 것 때문에 이렇게 attack한다고. Yoon said he's ready to face any investigation or legal challenges. 윤 대통령은 준비했다고 investigation 해도 되고 상관없다고. Okay. Let's see. Multiple choice questions. 그 답은 없지. 답 없다. 틀린 답 3개 있지. 조심해. What did President Yoon declare on December 3rd? 이거 계속 물어본다. 12월 3일은 윤 대통령 뭘 시작했다. Why did Yoon say he sent troops to the National Assembly? 군인 왜 보냈다고? What did Yoon accuse the opposition of blocking? Yoon이 opposition은 뭘 맡기고 있다고? Who is Lee Jae-myung? 이 Jae-myung 누구지? And what was Yoon's response to the threat of impeachment? impeachment 하는 것 때문에 Yoon은 무슨 대답했나? 뭘 한다고? Okay. 이제 우리 건물 관리하는 사람들과 앞에 차 구경한다. Sorry. 계속 앞에 조금 전에 우리 학원 밖에 있는 차 몇 개월 동안 주차하는 차는 누가 스티커 붙였어. 그럼 그것 때문에 많은 사람은 구경한다. 내 차 밖에 지금 차 안에 있다. Hi guys. Sorry. Alright. Principal는 교장. Right? 교장 하시면 두 번째 주체가 있나 이거 보고 무슨 뜻 같다. Alright, principal, 교장. 근데 두 번째, the most important or main element. 이거 주요한. 이거는 그림 만들기 힘들어요. 맞지? Pronunciation. 일단 음절 세게. Principal 첫 번째는 여기는 강조해야 돼. Principal. and MRG 글로 적절히 principal 잘 봐. Principal, 그 다음에 C, 그 다음에 Paul, principal. 여기 강조, principal, okay? Principal. All right, principal. Principal. The principal announced the new school policy today, and the principal reason for the delay was the weather. Principal. Speaking of weather, let's look over here. Normally I like to look at a map. So let's look at a map of Korea and see where it's the coldest right now. Let's see, where is it coldest? Wow, there's lots of places that are cold, right? Let's see. I'd say Suwon is the coldest on the mainland in a ways. So if you're in Suwon and you're cold, just come down to Tongyang. See what the weather's like in Tongyang. It's partly cloudy. 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 Today and tomorrow, both partly cloudy. Today is a high of 11 and a low of 2. Tomorrow is a high of 9 and a low of 1. So we talked about the partly cloudy weather, principal, and Yoon Tae-dong defending himself. That's it for today. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.